Hello friend, welcome to plastic product design series. So in this video we will discuss how plastic is made from the petroleum or the crude oil. So if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and watch this complete series so that you will get the complete clarity. So let's discuss the how plastic is made. So the journey of the plastic actually start with the extraction of the crude oil. So after the extraction of the crude oil, it is transferred to the refinery industry where this crude oil is processed in the distillation column, or we can say the fractional columns, where we are fracturing this crude oil on the basis of heating the crude oil. So at a very high temperature we will heat the crude oil, and we so from the crude oil we are getting the different types of output, like the petroleum gas, we can get gasoline like a petrol, paraffin, naphtha, diesel, fuel oil, lubricating oil, and the butamin. Okay, so here naphtha is a very important for us to get the plastic product. Once we get the naphtha, so we will heat the naphtha and break the naphtha into different form. So from the naphtha, after the breaking and cracking of the naphtha, we will get the number of monomers. So from the monomers, actually if we see the my previous video of this series, so we have said that once we get the monomer, it is start with the polymerization process. So here from the naphtha we'll get the different type of monomer like ethylene, propylene, butadiene, vinyl chloride. So these are all are the monomers, and these are the building block of plastic. So this monomer undergoes into polymerization process where all the monomers are come together and form the polymer, which is nothing but our plastic material. And then this material is extruded into the extrusion process, and here we are getting the long strand of plastic. So here you can see the long strand of plastics, and after getting the long strand from the extrusion process, we are chopping, or we are cutting this long strand into a small pieces that we called as a pallet. And once we get the pallet, so we use this pallet in the different plastic manufacturing process, like injection molding, blow molding, extrusion, and the rotational molding, where we can manufacture the different types of the plastic product. So this is the complete journey from the crude oil to the plastic product manufacturing. So I hope you like this video. So in the next video we will discuss the plastic recycling process. This is also a very important topic that we need to understand. So we'll discuss in the next video. So if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and watch the complete series. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.